Okay, so I have my Ranorex Studio open with the element connection solution we've created previously open, and let's cycle back for a minute and take a look at the selector we've created previously. So we had the element combo box, the filter combo box, and we had used the generic list item. So filter combo box. Okay, so the element combo box is the thing I need. And so we were in the element connections app on the configure tab page. And then within the parameter tree item, so parameter tree item, if you remember correctly, was each line we have in the app here. So each of these lines is a parameter tree item. Okay, and let's take a look. I'll open this one up in Spy so we can get a better look at that part here. So I have the connection parameter name as a variable, and then we are using the ancestor to move back up to the elements to find the tree item. Let's see if we have something more here. No, okay. So the only variable we are currently using in our path is a connection parameter name. If I go back to data miner view, that's this one here. So that was unique until we started duplicating these table entries. So for single parameter, I can also duplicate, but so far we haven't used that because we didn't have any need for that. Okay. But now we have here 1, 2, 3 entries, but exactly the same text. So we need a way to identify it more uniquely. So what I'll do is I will add the instance. So if it's a new blank parameter, the instance is set to none. If I select something, it's whatever I select. So it can be either all or a specific parameter. I mean a specific row value. Okay, I'll set this one back to none. Okay, so let's take a look at our part. So what I did previously is I had the tree connection item. I've used the ancestor axis to move back up to the elements. So select the tree item again. And then within that, I can go back to my Ranorex Studio. I had the text name, the element combo box, the parameter combo box, the element state checkbox. So we'll need to make this one a bit more complex and basically duplicate this part of the tree, but with a more specific identifier on the rooted folder here. So what I'll do is create a new rooted folder. Tree item. I'm going to call it duplicated because we need it in case we have duplicated items. Okay, all of these items within it, I can just copy and paste, or just control drag whoops, the control wasn't working. Okay. Okay, my keys aren't working properly, so I'll just copy and paste. Okay, so I'm going to select all of those items, copy them, select the new rooted folder and paste them. That should work. It's called copy of. I'll just rename those. You can use the F2 button, just like in Windows Explorer. If you want, you can give them a more specific name, but I'll leave that out here. Okay, so our parameter tree item, I will also copy this part and put it in here. But as I said, we will make it more specific. So we have the connection parameter name. We go back up to the elements, to the tree item elements, and then we need a second using the comma box there, and the value of that one. So I'll use double slash comma box. And let's inspect it with Spy. So track. Have to open it. And data miner first. Let's try this text box here. Okay, so we have our toggle button and it's combo box, and we need this automation ID, so it's element connections config parameter source index combo box. Okay, let's just copy the value. It's quite late to type. Okay, we go back into Studio and oops, lost my editing there. Okay, so I'm going to back to this one. Okay, put it in, make sure it's safe this time. Okay, go back to my Spy, and I not only need the combo box, but I also need the value in it. So that's basically this one. So first I'll have the combo box, the value. Okay, so this one to the end. Combo box with automation ID equal to the thing you've copied. And then within that, okay. So let's take a look at what text property we need. So for the text here, we need the caption, and then the value we will make variable again. So property caption. $sign to make it a variable. and let's name it source index. Okay, and then once more we'll use the ancestor to go back up to the element connections tree item. So to copy that, move to the ends and paste it in again. Okay. Okay, so now let's take a closer look. We have the element combo box, parameter combo box, and the element state box. So we're going to need two additional drop downs in here. One will be the let's take a look at data miner. So one will be the instance drop down for the source, and the other one will be the linked instance drop down. So let's add those. Okay, I just noticed that in duplicating, something went wrong here. We'll fix that in a minute. So first we have the source index, and then I'll add another one, the linked index. Okay, so here it's copied part of the source path because I didn't fill it in yet in the parameter tree item. So basically what I need is everything down to the combo box. Now I'm interested in all of that. You know what, I'll instead of messing about, I'll just try to see if I can delete these and copy them in again. Copy and paste. Okay, and so then we have just the combo boxes and the checkbox. That's looking good. Okay, so for source index and the linked index, we still need to add our identifiers. Let's do that. So I have it here for the combo box. Okay, so I can just copy it from SPY. So that's the parameter source combo box. Yeah, and make it a double slash in case there's still some parts of the paths before that. Okay, and then second one, open up data miner and track it using SPY. Second one is right here. And we're interested in this one. So that's the parameter destination instances combo box. Okay, and again using the double slash at the start. Okay. So I'm going to rename these again. Okay, looks like we're good to go. And then using our additional parameter tree and our new or new identifiers, we can create some additional recordings for the tables.